Number 5. The Nextbase Piqo 2K is a compact yet highly advanced dash camera designed to deliver exceptional video quality and intelligent safety features in a sleek and discreet package. Recording in sharp 2K resolution, it captures clear details with enhanced clarity, making license plates and road signs easier to identify during both daytime and nighttime driving. Its wide-angle lens provides extensive coverage of the road ahead, while advanced image processing helps maintain balanced exposure in challenging lighting conditions. The camera features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing users to quickly access footage and manage settings through a dedicated smartphone app. Equipped with intelligent parking mode and impact detection, the Piqo 2K can automatically record incidents even when the vehicle is unattended, offering additional peace of mind. Voice control support enables hands-free operation, and cloud connectivity provides convenient backup and sharing capabilities. Number 4. The 70mm T800 is a premium dash camera system engineered to provide comprehensive vehicle monitoring with impressive image quality and advanced smart features. Capable of recording high-resolution footage with exceptional clarity, it captures fine details on the road while delivering reliable performance in both bright daylight and low-light environments. Its wide-angle coverage helps minimize blind spots, ensuring a broader view of surrounding traffic and road conditions. The camera supports intelligent driver assistance functions that provide helpful alerts for lane departures and potential collisions, enhancing overall driving awareness. Built-in GPS allows for accurate tracking of speed and location data, while integrated Wi-Fi connectivity enables convenient access to recordings and settings through a dedicated smartphone app. The T800 also features a sophisticated parking surveillance system with motion and impact detection, automatically recording unusual events when the vehicle is parked. Number 3. The Viofo A329S is a high-performance dash camera designed to deliver outstanding recording quality and advanced functionality for drivers who demand reliable protection on the road. Equipped with cutting-edge imaging technology, it captures exceptionally detailed footage with excellent color accuracy and enhanced low-light performance, ensuring clear visibility in a wide range of driving conditions. Its wide-angle lens provides extensive road coverage, helping to record important details from multiple lanes and surrounding traffic. The camera supports advanced parking surveillance features with motion and impact detection, allowing it to automatically capture incidents even when the vehicle is unattended. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity enables quick access to videos and settings through a smartphone app, while GPS functionality records speed and location data for added convenience and evidence. Intelligent video processing and high-efficiency file compression help maximize storage capacity without compromising image quality. Number 2. The Vantrue E1 Pro is a compact yet feature-rich dash camera designed to deliver exceptional recording performance while maintaining a discreet presence inside the vehicle. Equipped with advanced imaging technology, it captures highly detailed footage with impressive clarity and color accuracy, ensuring reliable evidence in a variety of driving conditions. Its wide-angle lens provides broad coverage of the road ahead, while enhanced night vision capabilities help maintain sharp image quality in low-light environments. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows users to conveniently access recordings, adjust settings, and share videos through a dedicated smartphone app. The camera also supports GPS tracking for recording speed and location information, adding valuable context to captured footage. Intelligent parking mode and impact detection provide continuous protection by automatically recording suspicious activity or collisions when the vehicle is parked. Voice control functionality enables hands-free operation, enhancing convenience and safety while driving. Number 1. The Garmin X310 is a modern dash camera built to deliver reliable road monitoring with a strong focus on clarity, safety, and smart functionality. It captures high-resolution footage with crisp detail and balanced exposure, allowing important elements such as road signs, license plates, and surrounding traffic to remain visible in a variety of lighting conditions. Its wide field of view ensures broad road coverage, reducing blind spots and improving situational awareness while driving. The device is designed with advanced driver assistance features that provide alerts for potential hazards, helping to enhance overall driving confidence. With built-in GPS integration, it records accurate speed and location data, which can be useful for reviewing trips or verifying incidents. Seamless connectivity options allow users to quickly transfer and manage recordings through a smartphone application, making access to footage simple and efficient. The Garmin X310 also includes parking surveillance capabilities, enabling automatic recording when motion or impact is detected while the vehicle is stationary. Combining durability, intelligent safety features, and high-quality video performance, It stands out as a dependable dash camera for everyday driving protection.